Take a ride with us, see what the day's like as a plumber at Home Service Doctors. Come on. All right, we just got to the call. Morning. How are you? Good, how are you?
He's a nice piece.
Okay.
What? I'll take him for a walk. You don't have to listen.
Oh, that's fine.
This seems to be like some water's leaking out of there. And then in this shop.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Is there a basement?
Yeah, let me go show you.
We'll do that. We'll start with the water heater and line in.
We're going over.
Resistant. They age out.
Sure.
So, and you have them in the, I think it's the bathroom downstairs. The new quarter turns.
Yeah, because that one.
Above it, if you look up where your inlets and outlets are for the water heater, and the copper where it turns, on one of those joints, let me show you.
Oh, look.
That is leaking, or it was, and it calcified. So we just wrapped up a call here in Arlington. Found a couple things that needed to be addressed. Got the work scheduled for next week.
Hello, this is Jennifer.
Hey Jennifer, it's JP. Wrapping up at this call. We're ready for the next one. In Park, Virginia, found that we got 3 angle stops that need to get replaced, so we're gonna go knock that out.
Hey, this is Laura.
Hey Laura, it's JP. Ready for the next one?
All right, I'll get you on it.
Okay, cool. Thank you. We have a customer that called and said they had some faucets installed by somebody else. Since they were installed, it's creating like a thumping noise when they turn the water off. So we got sort of a pressure issue or water hammer. We're gonna go take a look and see if we can figure it out. So we're gonna check the pressure and then make sure the PRV is in working order. First things first, I trust the valve. They've done a lot of renovations in the On the last call, we were dealing with like a water hammer issue, and definitely has a malfunctioning pressure regulating valve. So even if that's a separate issue, we're gonna get that taken care of for him. And I hope you enjoyed the ride along. It's a great company. Proud to be part of the team. Thanks.